coily balloons or spiral balloons, whatever you call it. I'm going to make one today, and I'm going to be sharing in subsequent videos some unique, simple, basic balloon arts. So let's get started. Hi people, welcome to my vlog. My name is Susan and I love all things DIY, craft, you just name it. So I'm making the spiral or coily balloon today, and it's very simple. I'm making use of two sister balloons or modeling balloon, also manual pump and a skewer. And the skewer is just to enable me insert one of the balloons into the other one. So I've been inserting the white one into the pink one. Now you can use one 260 balloon, and then the one you'll be inserting into the 260 balloon could be 160 balloon size, but I don't have the 160 balloon. It's also a long balloon but shorter than the 260, so I'm just using 260 balloon. So I'm going to insert my skewer into my white balloon, the white 260 balloon. When you are inserting the skewer, make sure the sharp end is not going in first. Make sure the blunt end is what is going in first. You don't want to poke holes in your white balloon. So I'm going to insert that into I'm going to insert the white balloon into the pink balloon, and I'm going to inflate the pink balloon. Now I have my reasons why I use two different colors of balloons, just so that you don't get confused on which of the balloons I'm inflating. So after inserting the pink balloon, before I inflate it, I'm going to tie the end of the pink balloon. Make sure when you're tying it, you're tying both the white balloon that is already inside and the pink balloon. Make sure you tie both of them together. Then after tying it, then I'm going to pump the pink balloon. Now you can play with different colors of balloon, different shades of balloon, but be very careful, because whatever balloon you insert inside the major one, is that balloon you inserted inside is going to reflect at the end. They're going to see that later. You'll see that the white balloon I inserted will reflect at the end. Now remember to tie both balloons at the end before you inflate. And after you inflate, release some air like this before you tie it. You releasing the air make it possible for you to tie the balloon, and this is just how simple it is to create a spiral balloon without any special tool. Now for all my new subscribers, please hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on all my balloon art videos, crafts, DIY, and all that I share every day. And for all the OGs, the old subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Now for all the new viewers who are just watching, please support this vlog, I beg, so that we'll move higher. The more you support, the more you like, the more you share, the more you comment, the more YouTube is going to see that, oh, this person is sharing something relevant, and they're going to push my video so that other people can benefit from it. So I hope you had fun watching and hope you had fun viewing. Thank you so much for your support, and remember to check the description link or description box rather beneath this video for more tips as usual. Thank you so much. Bye bye.